Welcome to my Me Time Monday wellness hack on how to digital detox with hygge and niksen. This is a Me Time Monday wellness hack, which is part of our Self-Care in 7 Minutes video series. I'm Sherri Snelling, gerontologist, author of Me Time Monday, and CEO of the Caregiving Club. Part of staying busy in the modern world means being tethered to your digital device. A Nielsen report found Americans spend on average 11 hours a day, that is almost half of your entire day, gorging on media, whether we are watching, listening, or reading. We are also caught up in the modern sounds of daily living, traffic and horns and other sounds that disturb our calm and add to our stress. How do we unplug from all of this noise pollution? Welcome to the era of hygge and niksen, or as I wrote about them in my Me Time Monday book, the dynamic duel of digital detox from Denmark and the Dutch. About a decade ago, the world discovered the Danish art of hygge. When I wrote about this practice of warm coziness in my first book, The Cast of Caregivers, hygge was still relatively unknown outside of Denmark. But over the last 10 years, this practice has spawned several books, clubs, and more evidence-based science on its effectiveness as a way for caregivers to practice self-care. For those unfamiliar with hygge, it is the art of unplugging from technology and the warp speed at which we live our lives. It is about finding warmth, a fireplace, cozy socks, a warm pet, cup of coffee or cocoa, curling up with a good book or knitting, or even playing an old-fashioned board game such as Monopoly or Clue with family and friends. And candlelight replaces artificial lights, and snuggling is encouraged. It is all about taking time to pause for soul relief. Now, not to be outdone by Denmark's hygge, the Dutch offer us niksen, known as nix to insiders. This is similar to hygge, but when we say digital detox, we really mean step away from the technology and even social company. Niksen is the purposeful art of doing nothing, also known as masterly inactivity. It is not meditation that requires focus and effort. It is more like the elastic thinking, letting your mind wander and just staring out a window or onto a wide vista to observe your surroundings without engaging or focusing too hard on what is happening around you. Instead of being mindful, it is really being mindless. While this sounds simple, and yes, the health benefits have been tracked by science, it is a lot harder than you think. Try spending a few minutes not doing anything. No conversation, no reading, no playing with the dog, nor doom scrolling. Literally nothing. Researchers in the Netherlands observed how some people were originally uncomfortable with this nothingness assignment. The art of just being is hard. But suddenly you see, hear, smell things you had not noticed. A ladybug crawling along a windowsill, leaves fluttering in the breeze, the clouds rolling by, the smell of flowers. Niksen creates a very aware multisensory experience because you slowed everything down to be present. Advocates for niksen say you do not have to just stare into space. You can lie down and listen to music, but do not allow your mind to ruminate on tasks you should be doing or things that upset you. Instead, think happy, positive thoughts. Unplug by just taking in nature scenes and sounds from a window or listening to comforting, soothing music. You can also do a mindless activity like dishwashing. With automatic dishwashers, few of us get our hands in the suds anymore. But as I wrote in the Blue Wellness chapter of my Me Time Monday book, having your hands in warm, soapy water as you do a few dishes can be soothing and allows your mind to wander while you get a tactile benefit of the water. One Florida State University study done on dishwashing and mindfulness found participants reported a decrease in nervousness by 27% and an increase in mental inspiration by 25%. Business Insider reported both Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos of Amazon use it to spark their creative thinking. The goddess of decluttering our lives, Marie Kondo, has a mantra to only keep things that spark joy in your life. You can use your hands to create joyful or comforting analog activities that replaces typing, the likes, shares, and emojis on your smartphone. Or you can master the art of being cozy and doing nothing. This is how to do digital detoxing that would make Marie Kondo and our Danish and Dutch friends proud. I hope you enjoyed this Me Time Monday wellness hack. Every Monday, I will have a new self-care in 7 minutes video. You can find more information in my book, Me Time Monday, the weekly wellness plan to find balance and joy for a busy life, or visit MeTimeMonday.com or CaregivingClub.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our Caregiving Club YouTube channel to get all the self-care in 7 minutes videos every Monday. Take care and stay well.